Well, hello my friend, my name is Attila and you are watching Mustard Paste. Have you guys actually realized I'm always change clothes when I'm talking to you? That's because I don't want you to realize I'm not wearing my best clothes when I'm working on the lathe or when I'm working with epoxy. I'm pretty sure all of you are wearing tuxedos when you are in the workshop, but I don't, so I have been told that's how I'm supposed to present myself because it makes a good impression. So here we go. Anyway, today I'm going to use a piece of Iroko to make a box, a jewelry box that I have no use for whatsoever because I don't own a single piece of jewelry, but I'm going to make it because it's cool and that's good enough reason for me. Don't judge me. Here we go. I have the basic shape. So why I didn't use the parting tool all the way? Because I don't want to make it much shorter and I want matching grains. So I use my tiny Japanese saw. Okay, then let's hollow them out. I messed it up. I messed it up real bad. The hole is too large. So when I put this one in, it's like moving around. I think I still can fix it, and hopefully I will be able to make something cooler than it was before, if it works. Just bear with me. Alright, that's done. I had a little bit of leakage, but that's nothing that a little bit of hot glue cannot fix. Anyway, until the epoxy sets, I can't work on the bottom part, but this is the top. We still have to work a lot on the top part, so let's just do that. we go, guys. The epoxy is set. It's a little bit messy, but I'm going to clean it up, and hopefully at the end we will get something cool. Just stay with me.
Here we go, guys. I cleaned up very nicely. It still needs a little bit more sanding to get these tear outs out of the wood. I can't even feel it with my fingers, but you still can see it, so a little bit more sanding. One thing that didn't turn out as well as I hoped for, the ring, the red ring, I want it to be a little bit more tall, but that was the tallest I could get. Can you see here? I didn't even touch the epoxy. Yeah, but that's what it is. It still looks cool. I think I am going to go with this, so just bear with me. I sanded it down, no finish. This is only sanding. This is what 1.5 hours of sanding looks like. The top, here, that's the top. Again, no finish. Only sanding. Is it boring? Not really, because while I'm sanding I can think about the next piece, my YouTube channel. I'm planning, so my brain is running all the time. So sanding is like peaceful. People don't like it, but I don't have any problem with it. Anyway, let's put some lacquer on it and I'll show you the final piece. So before I wrap up today's video, let me show you a little bit of preview of the next project. That will be the raw material that I'm going to use for the next project, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, here is the final piece. I think it came out amazing. Look at that shine on it. Iroko has a really beautiful grain, really simple shape, but very elegant. I love it, came out great. So if you like this video, can you please put a like on it, subscribe to my channel, because there will be videos uploaded every week. And as always guys, thank you for watching.